During the investigation into the death of 6 members of the same family due to the collision of a speeding vehicle in Defense Phase 7 area of Lahore, new revelations were revealed. Before there was a clash with the dead people, Afnan kept chasing the women sitting in the car from Y block for a long time. Government sources said that Hasnain, the driver of the victim's vehicle, accelerated the vehicle several times so that Afnan would leave him behind. After stopping and scolding Afnan, Hasnain's father from the other car also explained to the accused Afnan that he should not harass women. Sources further say that during this time the accused Afnan kept threatening and abusing. Hasnain went ahead with his sister and wife. Then the accused started chasing again. The accused Afnan went around the intersection and hit the car with women's car at a speed of 160 kilometers. After the accident, Hasnain's car fell 70 feet away from the road and all the occupants were killed.